Here we go!
Receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn the impending hazard. The signal and receiver assignments are normally conducted by the National Guard at 11 a.m. each Wednesday. A series of severe response. The test will be postponed to the next available reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary in any given location. This variability. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, and sometimes occur even though you are using the quality receiver in good working order. To provide more consistent and dependable warning signals, activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties on Long Island and Southeast New York, and for Nassau and Frederick counties on Long Island and Southeast New York. Once again, this was only a test. For the following areas, in Connecticut, Hartford, Holland and Wyndham, and in Rhode Island, Washington, heat advisor. The temperature was 82 degrees, with 2.75, relative humidity 79%. The wind was southeast at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.30 inches and rising. Across the island, the mid-90s and 2 points in the mid-60s north to lower 70s south. The latest observations, the southern Connecticut sees it was partly sunny with a temperature of 82 degrees values. It was Saturday with a temperature of 70 and Grogan and 90 at Chester. On the area waters. At the buoy 20 nautical miles south of Fire Island Inlet, winds were southeast and to knots. The air temperature was 70.
Alright, let's evaluate this real quick. So, Zone Guard didn't go off. The Zone Guard Plus, I should say. These 3 radios activated. All these Radio Shacks activated. The 74210 activated. So did the WR120. The version 1 WR300 went off, thank God. The version 5 WR300 went off. The 400 went off. The 12991, the 519, the HH went off. The version 1 black and silver went off. So that's a good thing. This guy decided not to go off because he wanted to fucking trigger me. This guy went off. He went off. This guy went off too. This one went off. Let's see. And basically it's just like a perfect activation like on this shelf. And I know there's no batteries in you. So yeah. Happy 4th of July, everyone. I'll see you guys in the next video.